Hello, it's day 25. The topic is, what are your principles? What do you stand for? So, that's a big question. For me, I think it boils down to being of service. If you have knowledge or something that you can impart to others to help them do so, be of service. Uh, Treat people how you would want to be treated. It's a classic. You know. Let's see. Work hard, but also enjoy life. I don't think you have to take all the time from one area to put it into another. It's like it's your life. Work will always be there. It's a long game. So enjoy life. Work hard, but also enjoy life. Everything in its proper place. If there's an imbalance in it, it'll mess you up. I have messed myself up sometimes with the work and then balancing my life. So yes, work hard, but enjoy life. For YouTube, I guess it would be, this is an odd one. I don't like that people ask for likes and subscriptions. It always feels weird to me. It always feels like you don't ask somebody on the first meeting, like, hey, will you be my friend? It's like, what? Who are you? You know? So one of my principles for this YouTube channel is to not, I might ask on occasion, but I don't know, it always feels weird. I've always thought of, as a principle, you should impart wisdom first, like give first. And then, if people find your content worthy, then yes, by all means, I can subscribe. But to ask for it, to me, it just feels kind of dirty, kind of icky. It's like, will you be my friend? Person I've never met before? Can I ask you for favors? It's like, I don't know you. So yes, for YouTube, that's one of my principles, not to ask for it. Right? Kind of ick. But yeah, I guess those are my principles. Treat people how you want to be treated. Work hard, but also live life. For YouTube, don't ask for stuff. Just, earn it. So I guess those are some of my principles. I'm still making them up as I go, I guess. But what are yours? What do you stand for? What are your principles? I'd love to hear them in the comments or whatnot. So that was day 25. I'm getting to the point where I don't know what day it is. And the topic was, what do you stand for? What are your principles? And I will see you on the next video. Later.